Hi, Tom Schaefer here with Blossom Installations. I just finished installing a retro radio kit in a 1979 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. This Cadillac was recently purchased at an auction with 9,800 original miles. This car is in nearly perfect condition. However, my client wanted the convenience of today's modern radio systems. So he got the retro radio kit designed for this vehicle. I just completed the installation. This radio kit installed in the vehicle. The original part of the vehicle was completely unaltered. The original radio system and wiring harness is completely unaltered and can go back to the original Cadillac radio at any time. However, at this point with the new retro radio in it, it gives you the vintage look that he was after with this vehicle, but it gives you the modern convenience. As you can see, we have XM playing currently. Also gives you the ability to do auxiliary and USB in the vehicle. The system also has Bluetooth audio, and it also does Bluetooth hands-free phone calling as well. Again, retro radio system installation, Blossom Installations, Northeast PA, your technical, automotive, electrical installation experts, blossominstallations.com.